Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to change the font size on your Canva docs on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the font size or text size on your Canva docs on your computer. So first of all, select all the text you just needed. If you're just making everything on your single size, you can just choose everything and just click on the font size option on the top. Now it will have a preset of numbers up to 144. You can just choose like this. Otherwise, you have an option to, if you just need a custom number. For an example, here that you have a 42, but there is no 45, there is no 45 or 43 or 44. You just double tap here on the top and just type whatever the size you just need. Like here I just need to 44, just select it, you can just use it. So otherwise, I just going to find example here. I just going to change this first font should be on 8, and this should be on 16, and this should be on 24, like that. You can just change every different size of the font like this. For an example, the first letter should be on the bigger size, so I just going to change this to 56 like this. So you can just customize the text and you can just create your own size of the text, differentiate with other text, so it may look like something like this. And this is how we just change the font size. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.